more kind of, you know, more need safety. My name is Cathy-Ann Telesford. I live at 14 Coconut Boulevard, Pleasantville, and around 9:30, I come inside. I was in front, climbing with two neighbors, and I came inside and I went straight to the kitchen and I started washing this, right? And well, I was watching in the kitchen, and right here I was, my boyfriend was in the room, in our room, lying down. I gave my son my phone to plug in to charge right here while I was washing the wares, and my daughter came out of the room and was like, "Mommy, can we get some more popcorn?" So I say, "Hold on. When I leave my Auntie Shelly, I will get the popcorn for you while I was washing up the wares." And about 9:50, my boyfriend came out of the room and stand up in the drawing room and was like, "There's something burning." So I said, "I'm not cooking anything." He said, "You cooking anything?" So I said, "No, I'm not cooking anything." He said, "I'm smelling something burning." And we pushed the door, the children's room door. It was just like in pure flames. Nothing, you can't like even getting anything. I just thank God my children was not in the room, because it's their room the fire came from. And well, I lost everything, and well, guys, this is what happened here.